Welcome back to this week on the product development desk here at Survival Frog. This week we have two of our headlamp products by Petzl. On my left we have the Petzl Tikkina, and on my right we have the Petzl Tikkina. The Tikkina on my left has 200 lumens, while the Tikkina on my right has 150. The Tikkina and the Tikkina both have 3 LED light modes, and the Tikkina also has 2 red LED light modes. Both are adjustable and lightweight. Both weigh in at the exact same at 85 grams. Both are also weather resistant, meaning that if you are outside and it is raining, both will still continue to function properly, but please do not go swimming with either. Both are also powered by your choice of either the classic AAA battery or the Petzl Core battery. The Petzl Core battery is a rechargeable battery sold separately. It is good for up to 300 charges, which is the same as 900 AAA batteries. And there you have it. If you would like to learn more about either product, please visit us at the links below.